Today we're going to be learning about different weather tools. This worksheet is on the Science web page. You can print it off or you can copy these words in your science notebook. I suggest pausing the video to write down each of these words. What I'm going to have you do is pause the video after every slide that I show you so that you can write the definition of each word. So our first weather tool is a thermometer. A thermometer measures the temperature, how hot or cold something is. You will watch another video that's on the Science webpage that explains how to read a thermometer. I want you to pause the video right now so that you can write down the definition of a thermometer in your science notebook. Our next weather tool is called a windsock. Now you might see these at airports, but a windsock shows the direction and strength of the wind. So pause the video to write down the definition of a windsock. Our next weather tool is called a wind vane. A wind vane shows the direction the wind is coming from. So pause the video to write down the definition of a wind vane. Our next weather tool is called an anemometer. An anemometer measures the speed of the wind. So go ahead and write the definition of an anemometer. Our next weather tool is called a rain gauge. It measures the amount of precipitation that has fallen. So precipitation could be like rain or snow. Our next weather tool is called a barometer. A barometer measures air pressure and helps predict changes in weather.